other side. Then I'm Sia. Two inventor cheat. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video. Subscribe. Get notified.
Welcome everybody! In today's video, we will make homemade cream cheese. This recipe is so simple and easy. Our ingredients: 1 liter of milk, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water. In a bowl, we put the water and vinegar. Mix and set aside. In a pan, put the 1 liter of milk and heat it in low-medium flame. Mix it slowly. You'll see now the rise of the milk. Put the flame until low. Continue mixing for 1 minute. The bubbles are gone, so we're ready to put the mixture of the vinegar and the water. We gradually put the vinegar mixture in our milk. Repeat the procedure until the vinegar mixture are done. Now we can see the lumps of the curd appearing on the top of this mixture. Continue mixing, but don't break the lumps. Close the flame. Let it cool, and now we'll try to prepare the strainer. In a bowl, put a strainer and a white cloth. Now we can pour the mixture here, so it will separate the water and the cream cheese. Let it cool for 15 minutes. This is now ready. This is how it looks like, but still we need to process. We need to season it with salt. Mix it well. It's a little bit dry, so we need to put whey, so it will be easy to smooth. This is done mixing. Now we are ready to do the next level. I use the manual mixer. Other uses blender. This is done. This is our homemade cream cheese. Thank you for watching. Until next time.